The first 10 days of Ramadan are filled with so much excitement. Everyone's rushing to the masjid, doing as much good as possible, praying taraweeh, reading Quran. The last 10 days have a lot of excitement as well because there's this urgency and seriousness in trying to harvest as much good as we can before the month leaves us. It's these middle 10 days where we find ourselves hitting this mid-Ramadan slump. And we really find ourselves losing out on so much opportunity and skipping all of the good that we started the month doing. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ addresses this when he says, فَإِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يَمَلُّ حَتَّى تَمَلُّوا, that Allah will not become bored in giving until you become bored in doing good deeds. So the reward is waiting for us. We just have to make sure that we keep our actions consistent. How can we do this? Number one, make a checklist for yourself of things that you have to accomplish every day in Ramadan, and don't skip anything. How much taraweeh are you going to pray? How much Quran you're going to read? How much charity you're going to give, etc. Number two is rush to do good deeds as soon as it becomes available to you. Don't wait. And the third is remind yourself every morning that this could be the last Ramadan that you and I ever have.